What if you could create breathtaking AI videos without paying a single dollar and without limits? Yes, completely free, unlimited, and powerful enough to produce visuals that look cinematic, animated, even sci-fi level, all in high quality with perfectly synced lip movements that feel real.
We're almost there, right?
Right on schedule.
There is an AI tool that allows you to generate stunning AI videos for free without limits. You can create cinematic scenes, full animations, futuristic sci-fi worlds, or any type of AI video you want, all with smooth, natural lip syncing that matches dialogue flawlessly. In this video, I will show you how to generate consistent story images step by step. Then, you will see how to convert those images into stunning video sequences with perfectly synced dialogue using a free video generator. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. Grok is an amazing AI tool for both image and video generation. It is currently offering a 7-day free trial to test its premium plan at no cost. Although you can generate longer animation videos completely free, I have covered this in detail in my previous tutorials. You can check them out on my channel. Simply click on this button and add your card to get access to this tool for free without spending a single penny. Here in ChatGPT, I have generated scene-by-scene prompts from a random story idea, along with character descriptions, as well as text-to-image and image-to-video prompts for each scene. For image generation, we have a couple of options, such as using Whisk for free. In Whisk, you also have access to Nano Banana. Simply copy the character prompt and paste it here. Choose the aspect ratio from these three options. Then click on this button to generate the image. Here we have the 3D image of our first character. This image looks good to proceed with our story. And here we have the images for our second and third characters. For even better results, you can use the official Nano Banana Pro image generator in Gemini. Based on the characters we have generated, here is the image for our scene. You can clearly observe how well the character remains consistent with our prompt. And here we have the image for our next scene. Higgsfield offers a wide range of tools for image and video generation. With its ultimate plan, you can get access to Nano Banana Pro for free with unlimited generations. Choose the Nano Banana Pro model for image generation from the top menu. Copy the character prompt text and paste it here. You have a variety of aspect ratios to choose from. You can generate images in 4K resolution. You can also choose the number of images per generation. With the ultimate plan, you can turn on the unlimited image generation option, but it may take more time compared to using credits, so I will turn it off for now. Click on the Generate button to start image generation. Here, we have 4 variations of our first character. All the images look good. And here we have the images for our other characters. To generate consistent results, simply upload the character images, paste the prompt text, and generate the images. Here we have the image generated without using any reference. And here we have the image generated by uploading reference character images. You can observe the differences between the two images. For video generation, simply upload the image. Paste the image to video prompt that we generated earlier. Choose the video resolution as 720p and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Click on this button and wait for the video to generate. Here we have the final output.
We're almost there, right?
Right on schedule.
This video looks perfect in terms of animation, and the voiceover is perfectly matched with the characters. Here we have a couple of additional results. Take advantage of this free trial and generate some amazing results at no cost. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.